Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that we're working on, some of the coolest pieces that we have. Please bring us something that we could restore for you. Go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or to our YouTube channel and watch some of the things we're working on. So we have a French table with an Italian piece of marble you'll see in the photos in a minute. And you can see that it has blue tape all over it. Well, you think, well, why in the world do we have blue tape? It's because all of the places are missing the relief work that needs to be recasted. So we're going to be recasting all of the chipped and curved pieces of relief work. You can see that our rungs have sagged a little bit, but we're thinking that's how they intended for them to dive to the middle. But we're going to be recasting parts on the legs. And the customer has given us permission now to do about half of the casting. So how can we get the most prominent parts of one side looking just like this apron? This is what she loves. So we need to bring a lot of these pieces back to their right shape to get them gold leafed, and then age them so that it looks like this apron. This is our sample on this project. So you can see that we're going to take pride in this piece and bring it to, how do you say, the best result we can inside the budget.